Shares nosedive on panic sell-off. Vietnamese stocks extended losses on Friday as panic selling flooded the market following the sharp fall of large-cap stocks. The VN Index on the Ho Chi Minh Stock Exchange, HOSE, closed the day at 1,019.82 points, a decrease of 3.65%. The market breadth was negative with more stocks decreasing, of which 31 stocks inched higher and 453 reduced. More than 742 million shares traded, equivalent to a value of VND 14.6 trillion, $587.9 million US dollars. The 30 biggest stocks tracker VN30 index posted a loss of 4.05% to finish Friday at 1,010.57 points. Of the VN30 basket, 1 stock climbed, while 28 declined and 1 ended flat. Banking stocks suffered massive selling force, with losers including Techcombank, TCB, Saigon Thuong Tin Commercial Joint Stock Bank, STB, Military Bank, MBB, and Vietnam International Bank, VIB, Saigon Hanoi Bank, SHB, Asia Commercial Bank, ACB, and Vietcombank, CTG, VP Bank, VPB, Tien Phong Bank, TPB, and Lean Viet Post Bank, LPB. Of them, the worst performers were Vietcombank, Techcombank, and Saigon Thuong Tin Commercial Joint Stock Bank, all hitting the daily limit decline of 7%. In general, the supporting money flow is still reserved and indecisive, leading to the market's failure to regain. The conservative state continued, showing that the market is still afraid of the pressure from the gap area, down 1,063 to 1,073 points, said Viet Dragon Securities Company. The market is expected to weaken in the next session to retest supply and demand. Therefore, investors need to slow down to observe and evaluate the state of the market. At the same time, new purchases should be limited and portfolio restructuring may be considered to tighten risks. On a sector basis, all 25 sector indices on the stock market lost ground, including insurance, wholesale, construction, logistics, agriculture, real estate, retail, seafood production, construction materials, securities, rubber production, plastic and chemical production, banking, oil and gas, IT, food and beverage, and healthcare. The HNX index on the Hanoi Stock Exchange, HNX, also ended lower. The Northern Market Index declined 3.75% to close at 217.41 points. More than 88.6 million shares were traded on the HNX, worth VND 1.3 trillion, VNS.